friends, today we are talking about our new topic, which is meaning of business economics and nature of business economics. As in the previous video we are studied about what is economics and where the economics word come from, what are the main fundamental facts of economics. In this all we studied in our previous video. In this video we are going to study about the meaning of business economics. So let's start with the meaning of business economics. Business economics. As we are aware that the success and survival of any business entity or any business unit is depends on their sound decisions. So the management unit of every business entity or every company or every business unit is generally depend upon the strategical, tactical and operational decision making. So decision making is very important. Decision making is a important process. Let us consider an situation like there is a company named say XYZ Limited. XYZ Limited want to launch their new product. Launch their new product. They want to launch their new product which is already in the market, and so many firms or companies giving the toughest competition in the market, which is already in the market. So there are so many issues which are faced by the XYZ Limited, so that in decision making, so that there are some issues which are going to discuss that, like the first issue is that XYZ Limited think that should our firm be in this market, and another issue is should we launch the product giving as to the highly competition in the market. And another issue is from where the firm procure their inputs. So there are so many issues which are faced by every company or every business entity in the market to launch their new product. Like should that firm be in this business? Should they launch their product that given the highly competition in the market already, and from where the firm procure their necessary outputs and at what price, so that so as to have that the competing edge in the market. And there are so many issues like this, and all these issues are solved by a sound decision making. So there are so many issues which are faced by every individual, every firm and every company to launch their new product, and these issues and all of these issues are solved by the sound decision making. So the decision making in these issues as well is not so simple or straightforward, as our firms are functioning in the very highly complex and dynamic economic environment. Highly complex, like highly complex and dynamic, that is change by the passage of time. Highly complex and dynamic means that in the economic environment, that like the market, the government change, government introduces the new policies every year. So the every individual firm or business entity have the control or have the improvements in their businesses, in their processes, according to those changes which are happened by the business policies of the governments. So most of the time the problems aggravated because the decisions so most of the times problems aggravated because of the condition under the imperfect knowledge and uncertainties of the market. Why why mostly the firms fail in the market? Because they are not having the perfect knowledge about what is doing, and so many uncertainties or risk factors involved in the market every time. So most of the time problems aggravated, and the decision making is not as good, like because it is under the conditions of imperfect knowledge and uncertainties. So decision making must be, therefore decision making must be equipped with the proper management of methodology and the economic analytical tools and techniques. So therefore the decision making must be equipped with the proper management, means that the management should be in the proper way, so that we follow the certain methods which are already in our economic theory, and there are so many economic analytical tools and techniques which are already provided for the decision making. So with the use of proper methodology and the economic analytical tools or techniques, we can make the sound decisions making. So now you must be thinking that why I am explaining about decision making, and the topic is business economics. So business economics here, now the need of business economic arise, that now those management methodology and the analytical tools and techniques. So this need which is met by the business economics like business economics meets the need of management by providing the large corpus of theory, tools and techniques. So all the tools which we are talking about in decision making, all these needs are managed by business economics. Business economics meets the need of the management by providing the large corpus of theory, tools and techniques, so that we can analyze the economy. So here business economics means the need of management by providing the large corpus of theory, techniques and tools, so that we can analyze the economy. So in brief, business economics is an applied economics applied economics which fill the gap between economic theory and the realistic practice or business practice in real life. In brief, business economics is an applied economics, and it fills the gap between economic theory and business practice. So what is business economics? Business economics is an applied economics, and it fills the gap between economic theory, which we are studying, like demands, supply and all the curves, and business practices. Business practices means which are situations faced in real life market. It is called as applied economics because it is the realistic application of the theory of economics. So now the business economics is an applied economics which fills the gap between economic theory and business practices. So we can say that Business economics is the realistic application of economic theory and in the business practice in the market. Now, one of the famous economists, Joel Dean, said that business economics is used in terms of economic analysis to form the business policies. So Joel Dean said that business economics is used in terms of economic analysis to form the business policies. Economic analysis means all the theories and tools that we are studying in economics, and to form the business policies means business applications of economics in real. So here the business economics topic is complete. Now you can understand, you can able to explain what is business economics. Business economics is known as applied economics because it fills the gap between economic theory and business practices. So here our topic business economics is complete, and our next topic is nature of business economics.